Day 17.
Day 2, we slept down by Dismal Falls. It was just about a 12-mile day. The last 2 miles or so, it was pouring on us. We were in the middle of a thunderstorm. So we arrived soaking wet and moved pretty quickly to set up camp. I don't really have any pictures of camp or anything from that date because it continued to be wet. Anyway, we are on our way out. We're going to stay at, I think it's pronounced Wapiti Shelter tonight. A little more than 6 miles for us from here. Supposed to have a good water source. If it starts coming down again, we'll have a place to be able to get out of it other than just under our rain flies. Today's hike should be pretty flat. Looking forward to that. After the last couple weeks, everything's, well, pack soaked. Certain things are still remaining dry as they were packed to be, but we're making our way. Hopefully I'll be able to do some filming today. Like this. This is a green tunnel. All the flowers on the ground were white, so it was really pretty. Just left Dismal Falls. You guys didn't even go look at the falls, did you?
I was following myself. I saw it as I passed by.
So we're headed north to Wapiti Shelter. Should be a pretty flat day today.
Really hard climb today.
It's gonna be pretty flat in terms of mountains. Oh my god, I'm so scared.
I've never actually seen that movie.
Really? Kristen, we gotta come up with a good trail name for you. I think it's Trying Not to Die might be yours.
I'm okay with that. Is that accurate?
Trying not to die here. Martha's crushing it, but I'm just trying not to die. That's right, trying to stay alive.
Staying alive.
Thought about the Bee Gees.
Like on Icy Tower. Stay alive.
Somebody left a pair of shoes here. Well, now I've seen them, I'll pack them out. I don't see anybody around. Yeah, that's realistic. Today's terrain has been pretty flat. It's been up, but it's so gradual, you hardly notice it, and then there are these long flat stretches. We've been going for maybe an hour and a half. We've already crossed more than 4 miles. We've just been flying. Be a good day after yesterday's longer day. We'll get to the shelter, set up shop and rest, eat some food, drink a whole bunch of water, set up camp, and just chill. Tomorrow we've got a pretty good climb ahead of us. We'll get to the top. We'll pass the exit for Woods Hole Hostel, which is where we've stayed the last 2 times in a hostel. Really awesome place. Totally recommend it to anybody going through Parisburg if you want a relaxing area to stop and rest. But I'm coming up on the ladies now. Walking through all these roots slows me down, so I figured I'd say hello. Hey you.
Making a video?
Of course.
I wasn't necessarily tired. I'm just like.
You're in a rhythm. It's been smooth moving through here though.
It's really pretty.
It is.
I was looking over there thinking like,
Yeah,
it'd be a
like
photo
walking
shoot.
through here. I was thinking it was really pretty. Oh, it says something.
That would be incredible.
Says, hey Jay, this seems wrong to me. Am pushing on, will turn back. I am unsure. It's 12 to Doc's Knob, it says. Not 10.
So we still have 3
Somebody
more
crossed
miles?
out 6.
2 more miles?
Probably
And then
like
put
2 or 3
10,
miles, yeah.
and Put 12.
I was about to say, there's no way.
So we're walking to the shelter off the trail. It's a little spur trail that leads up to it. Looks like we got a little bit of a hill to climb. Hopefully not much. Is that it right there on top? I think I see it from where I'm at. Little dinky hill. But we made it. Woohoo! There it is. In all its glory. Wapiti Shelter. Looks like we got plenty of good hammock trees. You made it.
Didn't die.
Didn't die. Face up.
And then no, did you already take one? Oh, we'll take one before you start.
It's okay. If you would like,